We're standing in our backyard. This is the very back of the house. Our main bedroom is right here in this window, and the guest room is this window here. The plants are a little sad looking, but in the summer they're like really nice and green, and it's really cute back here. In the summer also we have a table here with an umbrella and like 4 little chairs. It snowed last weekend, so we put all that away for now. So we brought out the little solo stove, both to keep us warm, and it's just kind of cute and cozy. When we bought the house, there was just grass and, well, basically just a bunch of weeds back here. So you had the house, and then you had the garage, and then just basically just like a patch of green right here. And there was no fence or brick patio or anything. We originally got a quote from a couple contractors, but it was like several $1,000s for them to install a wood fence. So after a couple YouTube videos, we figured out how to do it and just did it ourselves. So the first summer we installed the fence, and it was still just grass back here. And then the second summer we installed the patio, brick patio here. We wanted to make it a little more like cozy back here, so we hired landscapers to do this like small gravel and add in all of the plants. And the mulch that they put in and the soil, somehow it was the perfect combination for morel mushrooms or morel mushrooms. We actually found like several mushrooms growing back here, and we cooked them up and ate them out. It was really kind of a cool surprise because they only grow in very specific regions. People in the Midwest, at least, we know that they go mushroom hunting, like in the forest. And we didn't have to go in the forest. We just went to our tiny backyard and found little morel mushrooms. So I'll show you guys that. And this winter, I'm gonna decorate this little baby pine tree we have, and it'll be our outdoor Christmas tree. Because as you saw, our house is quite tiny, and there really isn't a whole lot of room for a Christmas tree, but I think this year we're gonna make this our Christmas tree. Stay tuned, I'll put another video up in the winter. I would say maybe like three people wide if you put your arms out like this.